Welcome to our tutorial for the Plant Finder web plugin. Hello, I'm Terry Jones from Joy of Plants. Shopify is one of the most popular webshop platforms. In this tutorial, I will first show you how to add our Plant Finder to a Shopify page. Then I'll show you how to set which plants you stock in the Plant Finder and link the Plant Finder's own plant pages to the webshop's product pages. The benefits of using our Plant Finder are that it provides a really simple and quick way for your site to have images and full searchable details for more than 15,000 UK plants, including most or all of the plants you sell. When linked to webshop pages, it provides a sophisticated search engine to help customers find the plants they want to buy. First, we'll take a look at our demo Shopify webshop, so you can see what the Plant Finder looks like after it is installed. Our demo is at the URL joyofplants.myshopify.com. You will need the password BEICOO, B-E-I-C-O-O, to view it. In this webshop, the Plant Finder is accessed from an option on the menu bar at the top or from a button further down the home page. Click Plant Finder. The Plant Finder appears in a separate page of the webshop. Here we see the home page of the Plant Finder, which contains a selection of plant groups and a few other buttons. Joy of Plants do all the initial customization and setup of the Plant Finder for you, including setting your first Plants We Stock list if that is available. Like Google Maps in a website, the Plant Finder is implemented as an iframe, with all the images and data delivered direct from our server. If you're going to link your Plant Finder to your Shopify webshop plant pages, you should add Joy of Plants images and text to some of those webshop pages before installing the Plant Finder, as that process creates the files needed for linking the Plant Finder to the webshop pages. I will now show you how to add our Joy of Plants Plant Finder web plugin to a Shopify page, and after that I'll show you how to link it to the Shopify webshop pages. To install the Plant Finder web plugin in Shopify, you will need the Plant Finder enabled and set up for you by Joy of Plants, Google Chrome as a browser on your PC, your Shopify admin URL and login details, your hub.joyofplants.com login details, the Plant Finder code file from Joy of Plants. In summary, to add the Plant Finder web plugin and set plants you stock, first in Shopify admin, add the Plant Finder code to a new page. Then in the Joy of Plants hub, we'll set which plants you stock. There are different approaches for this depending on whether you're linking the Plant Finder to webshop pages or not. Finally, we just check everything is working. I'll now go to our Shopify site and show you how to add the Plant Finder page. In our browser, we have two tabs open, our Shopify admin page and hub.joyofplants.com. First, we work in our Shopify admin page. Click on Online Store, then Pages. You'll see all the existing pages for your website. Click Add Page in the top right. This opens the editor for the new page. Add a title. The words Plant Finder. In the content box, add any text you want to appear above the Plant Finder. Click the Show HTML button to show the HTML editor. Now we open the file code_website_plantfinder.txt from Joy of Plants in Notepad and select and copy the code that it contains. Now go back to the Shopify page and paste in the code. Make sure that the visibility option is set to visible. Click Save. We can see our new page in the list of pages. You might have to scroll to find it in your site if you have lots of pages. Now we will add the Plant Finder page to the menu so we can access it from the home page. Click Navigation. Click Main Menu. Click Add Menu Item. Click on the name and add Plant Finder. Click on the link, select Pages and select Plant Finder from the list. Click Add. Drag and drop the menu into position. We'll make it the second one after Home. Select Save Menu. Go to the Shopify Webshop tab and refresh to see the Plant Finder menu, and select it to see the Plant Finder on your page. You will send the URL of the page to Joy of Plants to tell us when you've added the Plant Finder to your site, and we will finish the setup at our end for you. I'll now go to the Joy of Plants hub and show you how to set up plants you stock if you're not linking the Plant Finder pages to Webshop product pages. Go to hub.joyofplants.com. Click Kiosk Web Plant Finder in the hub homepage. This takes you to the Plant Finder content management page. In this page you can manage all the content in the Plant Finder. If you're not linking the Plant Finder to Webshop pages, use the options in the second section here to add your plants you stock list. There are two sides for adding the plants we stock list. The right-hand side has options for adding it without an existing stock list. This is method 1. The left-hand side has options for setting it from an existing stock list that you have. This is method 2. You can follow the on-screen guidance for setting your plants we stock list. We also have tutorial videos on our YouTube channel that you can watch to learn how to do it. See Tutorial 6, Set up Plant Finder Plants You Stock Method 1 via JoP Plant List, or Tutorial 7, Set up Plant Finder Plants You Stock Method 2 via Stock List Upload. I'll now show you how to set plants you stock if you are linking the Plant Finder plant pages to Webshop pages. On the Plant Finder Content Management page, scroll down to the section for Upload for licensees who use our e-commerce image and text library too. If you are linking the Plant Finder to your Webshop pages, you will set your plants you stock list using the two plantfinder.xls file that are generated when you add images and text to your Webshop pages. If you haven't yet added images and text to your Webshop pages, you should do that now. For help on how to do it, see our video, Tutorial 13, Add JoP Images and Text to Shopify. In our demo site earlier, we added images and text for our test category, and this produced a 2 Plant Finder file that we will now use. Click Upload to Plant Finder file. Click Find File. Find your 2 plantfinder.xls file and click Upload File. Choose which columns contain the JoP PID numbers, in this case column A and starting at row 3. Choose the plant stock list to change. There's a drop-down list to select the list to change. This will normally only contain one option, the name of the default plant list. If you add multiple plant lists, for example because you have different plant lists at different kiosk sites, then this list will contain more options. Choose how you want to change the list. We leave this selected to add plants. This will merge in the new plants to the list. If we wanted to replace the list, we'd choose Replace List. Select the Show Options for Plant Finder Links to E-commerce button. Set the Sale URL column to B. Click Next. It may take a few moments to update your stock list. The message will tell you when the upload is completed. Click Done. We'll now take a look at the Plant Finder to check everything. Go to the Plant Finder page in Shopify. Click Find Plants by Name. Search for the plant Elwood's Gold, as that was on the plants we stock list we uploaded. It's on the Our Plant Range list. Open the plant. Click the Buy Now button. and it goes to the plant page in the webshop with all the options and information for buying the plant. We've now successfully added the plant finder to a page in the webshop and linked plants in the plant finder to their respective webshop pages so customers can buy them. Before we finish, I'll answer some frequently asked questions. What happens if a plant has sold out and is not shown in the webshop? The Buy Now button in the plant finder will display a message when the user clicks on it to tell them that the plant is not currently in stock, instead of going to the webshop page. I have updated my webshop colours. How do I change the plant finder to match? The person with manager access to hub.joyofplants.com can change the plant finder colours and fonts under Settings, Plant Finder, Customization. Can I copy and paste the images and text outside the plant finder? Your license with Joy of Plants allows use within the plant finder. For images and text for your webshop pages, see joyofplants.com for our image and text library service. How do we link plants we sell that only matched at genus or species level in the plant finder? We add a search clue for species and genus plants so that their Buy Now button in the plant finder launches a search for all plants for that species or genus in the webshop. Then the customer can choose which variety of plant they want to buy. And lastly, some troubleshooting for problems you may come across. The plant finder is not appearing on my page. I'm getting a message saying the plant finder is not enabled for this domain. Check the plant finder URL in hub.joyofplants.com under Settings, Plant Finder, Web Setup to make sure it matches your page URL. Or else your plant finder account has not yet been activated by Joy of Plants. Contact support@joyofplants.com for more help. Popular plants appears in the plant finder Find by Name list, not plants that I sell. Contact support@joyofplants.com to update your plant finder to use your personalised plant list. You've reached the end of our video now. Thanks for watching. Watch the next tutorial in our series by clicking the video link here, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our videos.